Divya from RPIIT campus is here to discuss on very interesting topic, that is digestion of carbohydrates. Dear students, you know that carbohydrates are very important for our life. They are responsible for the growth and development in our body. Carbohydrates are the staple food, and carbohydrates are present in wheat, rice, bajra, potato and many more. In my today's video, we will discuss how the carbohydrates are digested in alimentary tract in human body. This is a very important topic and it has been asked in many entrance exams. So let's discuss about various enzymes, their site of action and production and the alimentary canal. So dear students, there are three enzymes which are responsible for the carbohydrate digestion. One is salivary amylase, second is pancreatin amylase, and third is maltase. So just move towards the board and discuss one by one about the enzymes. Salivary amylase, it converts starch into maltose. This salivary amylase is produced in the mouth by the salivary glands. So it is concluded that the carbohydrate digestion starts from the mouth. The next is pancreatic amylase. As the name suggests, pancreatin. It means it is produced in pancreas and released in the small intestine. So the action will occur in the small intestine. By the enzyme pancreatic amylase, maltose, which is produced in the mouth, it will convert into the dextrose. The next is maltase. Maltase is an enzyme which is released in small intestine and it is produced in it is released in the small intestine and it acts in the small intestine only. So this maltase converts dextrose. Dextrose is the substance which is produced in the small intestine. So maltase convert dextrose into glucose. Glucose is the end product of the carbohydrates, or you can say the carbohydrates finally digest into the smaller particles that are known as glucose. Dear students, digestion is actually a process in which larger molecules breaks down into the simpler or smaller ones. In carbohydrates, starch is broken into the smaller particles or smaller molecules. They are the glucose. So, dear viewers, I hope this all video is very important for you, and this easy way in the tabular form will be helpful to crack any questions in the entrance exam. So, I will suggest you to view my next videos that would be on digestion of proteins and fats. I hope you have liked my video. Just give a like and subscribe the channel. So, see you viewers in my next video. Thank you and have a great day.